Hi guys, let's make this delicious stew. So I have my green bell pepper, my crayfish, my smoked fish, my eggs, and my pepper paste. For the pepper paste, I have fresh pepper, I have fresh tomato, and I have yellow pepper also. Now we're going to start by getting your pot, adding the pot to fire, and adding oil to the pot. After that, I went in with my onion powder. Then, after allowing my onion powder to sit while I stir for like 10 seconds, I went in with my other ingredients, my other spices. And for that, I added ginger and garlic powder. So if you don't have ginger and garlic powder, if you have the raw ginger and garlic, you can just grind those and add to it. Then I added my ginger and garlic powder with my cloves. So I just added small cloves to it because I don't want the stew shouting red, red, red. So yeah, I added small cloves to it. Then I added my crayfish to it. So I decided not to grind the crayfish because I want to be seeing it in the stew. But you can grind or blend yours too. But I just decided not to like grind mine. And also for the cloves, you can skip the cloves part. If you want your stew shouting red, you can just skip the cloves part. So after adding all this, I just stirred and I allowed it to sit down on the fire till everything comes together. Like I wanted the whole ingredients mixed together. So I gave it enough time to do that. And after that, I went in with my fish. So I went in with my smoked fish. So you can add as many fish as you want. You can add the smoked Titus fish. You can add the spanla fish, any of the above. So me, I just added this, and after that, I just allowed it to sit down for a while too, while I stir and mix it up with other ingredients. So after this, you're going to go in with your pepper paste. Like I said, my pepper paste is fresh pepper, fresh tomato, and that's yellow pepper, or should I call it yellow bell pepper? No, it's the small yellow pepper, so it's not a bell pepper. So I just went in with my paste and I mixed and allow it to mix with other ingredients too. Please, if you've not liked this video by now, please help us like and comment. Feel free to comment anything you want to comment in the comment section, and also subscribe if you've not. Please, thank you. Don't make this your last time. We have so many delicious recipes on our channel, so feel free to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also, if you like this video, you can also help us share so that other people too can see and like the video. So after this, now you're going to go in with your remaining spice, whatever spice you want to add to this, you're going to go in with that. For me, I added I added tomato paste. Yeah, I added tomato paste. So you can decide to add, you can decide to skip it though. It is not compulsory, but I decided to add mine. I added tomato paste. So and I stirred it up. Now, for my other spice, I used spicy pepper. I know there's fresh pepper inside already and it's already enough, but I wanted the stew spicy, so I added more pepper, and which is that spicy pepper. So I added spicy pepper to it. So if you're not a pepper person, you can actually skip the spicy pepper also. But if you're a pepper person, feel free to add all the pepper in the world. So yeah, I added spicy pepper to it. Please feel free to let us know your name and the country or state you're watching from so we can make a shout out to you on our next cooking video. So yeah, I went in with my thyme. So you can go in with your thyme, your curry, and all of that. So I just added thyme. I didn't add curry to it. After that, I went in with my nutmeg powder. So yeah, you can add your nutmeg powder to it also. And I just stirred and mixed everything together. So that was all for the spices. The remaining things I added was my seasoning cubes and my salt, and that was all. Now you're going to just stir and allow everything cook together, and then you add your egg, which is the last. So I used egg for this stew. You can decide to use meat, fish, chicken, turkey, whatever you want to use, but I just used egg because I wanted it to be a simple stew, a stew everybody and anybody can cook, low budget. So Yeah, I just used egg for this. And do not forget our green bell pepper. Yeah, I added my green bell pepper to it also to make it colorful. Yeah, so I had to add that to make it colorful. Now look at how sweet and yummy my stew is looking. Though the video was not giving it enough justice, but this stew was looking super inviting. Sweet, yummy, inviting, and delicious. Anyways, let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. And if you want to see a video on our channel, please feel free to let us know the video you would love to see on our channel so we can get to work immediately. Thank you. So you can eat this with rice. You can eat this with swallow if you want. You can mix this with okra. You can eat this with. You can also eat this with bread. Yeah. So yeah, you can eat this with everything. You can eat your stew with. So yeah, this is normal stew. So you can eat this with anything you want. You can use your normal stew for. So that's just it. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. We hope to see you on our next video and all of our videos. Everything. Want to see you on all of our videos. Have a nice day. Bye.